Hello, my name is Royce Milgrim and this is my RA application video for the 2020-2021 academic year. And today I'm going to be sharing a little bit of music theory with you, something I'm very passionate about. I do enjoy playing music very much. So I'm going to try to kind of dive in here and explain a little bit about how music is all really about a numeric relationship. Looking at here is how music can all be related to a numerical relationship, and because of that we're not going to be going through and saying, oh, this is a C note, this is a G note. We're going to think about this all in terms of numbers and in terms of a unit that we're going to be calling the half step. So a half step is a unit of measure from one note to the note that's next to it. So if we go here to here, that is a half step, and if we go from here to here, we have to go over this one. So it's going to be one half step, two half steps, which is a whole step. And there are some instances like here, there's no black note in between, or here as well. So here to here is a half. So that is going to be our unit of measurement today. And to demonstrate this a little bit further, how music is all about relationships and not so much the specific notes that are played, we're going to be using a little portion of the intro from the song Clocks. So Clocks goes like this. Right? We're playing here three notes in a pattern. We don't really want to worry about the pattern so much, but just the notes that are being played. Now, interestingly, we can also play it down here. Okay, now that's interesting. We're playing completely different notes. However, we know from listening to it that that's still the song Clocks. And that is because it doesn't matter necessarily the specific notes that are played. It matters the notes that are played as they relate to each other in terms of half steps. So if we count out this intro, we're going, that's our intro, right? We go here, here, here. All right, so if we count this out in terms of half step, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 half steps from the first note to the second note, and then 1, 2, 3 half steps between the third note, or the second note and the third note. Now, if we go over here and change our starting note from here to here, we can count it out again. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Right? And remember, over here it was 5 and 3. So the count is still the same. It's the relationship, because we went 5 and then 3, and then here 5 and 3. And that gives us the same relationship within the notes. So it doesn't matter the specific notes, but it matters how they're played in relationship to the other notes. So in theory, you could choose any starting note and count it out and find the different notes and play that Clocks intro with any set of notes. Alright, well, hopefully this video was able to give you a little bit of insight into how music works as much as you can in a 3 to 4 minute video. But I love music. I love sharing it with people. I think it's a beautiful thing. Last night we were out in the lobby and we had some instruments, and people would just come and stop by and play an instrument or sing or just listen. And there's something magical about music that allows people just to come together, even if you don't play an instrument, just to come and enjoy it. And I think it's just a magical thing, and it's also an equally magical thing when you get to peel back the curtain a little bit and see how it works. And that's also something I love to do and share with people, is just the wonder and what's going on, and I don't understand half of it. I just have a little tiny understanding, but I love to share that with people because music is just a wonderful thing. So hopefully I've been able to share that with you a little bit today to some extent.